Alright guys, so this video I'm pretty sure is going to get some hate, but it is an idea I had and I want to try it out just to see what would happen because I've seen a lot of people do it on other cars. But I was on Facebook Marketplace and I saw these for sale, and I'm also part of a Facebook group that is OEM wheels on like other makes and models, so putting like Tesla wheels on a Ford and just all kinds of different brands like that. And I've seen several people put these Tesla Aerocaps on their car, and on some of them it looks good, some of them looks bad, but I figured I'd just do it just because it would be a fun video, and I kind of have some cool picture ideas that I want to do with these. So my original plan was, if you can see, they have these like a normal center cap, and then they also have these clips on the outside. And what I was going to do was 3D print some adapters for the center and have them clip onto my wheels. But just with the way, actually it'll be better to show you over here without the sun. But the way that my wheels are with the offset, since they're only 8.5 wide, you can see the spokes stick out a little bit. So it's pretty much impossible to get the Tesla caps to sit flush. I'll show you. I can get them pretty close. So right here, that's as close as I can get it. And I was originally just gonna cut them and cut the back brackets off and stuff to make it work, but it's just not going to work out that way. So probably what I'm gonna do is, I have these two bungee cords that I've used, and I can get them to stay on with these just by putting them around the spokes, and that holds them on enough to take a picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go, there is a Tesla dealership that's pretty far away from me. I don't really think there's a way that I could get a good picture there, so I kind of scrapped that idea. But there is a Tesla supercharger pretty close to where I am. So I'm going to try to go there and take pictures with these on my car. I'm just going to have to hold them up with these, so it's not really a permanent thing, but it will be good for the picture idea I have. And I'm going to go to a Tesla supercharger and see if I can get a picture with the charger in the background, and then maybe get it to like plug in and sit in here. I don't really know if I could get that to work, but we will see whenever we get there. So I'm going to go ahead and head over there and see what we can get. It might not be able to do the actual charger itself, but I should at least be able to get a picture with it in the background. And I have my camera there, so we're going to go ahead and head over there and see what kind of pictures we can get. Okay, so you can see in my mirror that we are here, but surprisingly there's actually a lot of Teslas here charging, even though this is a really strange area for there to be a Tesla supercharger. It's like in the middle of a bunch of restaurants, kind of like on the side of the ghetto. So I'm not gonna block the charger to take a picture, and I'm also gonna get a bunch of weird looks. So I'm just gonna do it from back here, and I'm gonna put the caps on this side of the car, and then hopefully be able to get some pictures with the chargers in the background. So I already got pictures with my camera from the other side with both of the hubcaps on, and then I just have one of the rears on right now just to get a picture of the rear of the car with these Teslas and the chargers in the back. Which is kind of strange. I would hate having an electric car. Now that I actually see this in person, it is really weird. But that's pretty much it. I'm just gonna throw in the pictures of the actual caps on the car I got after this. Now that I think about it, this was kind of a stupid video. But here's kind of the shot I got, and then I got some other ones. So once I get the pictures edited, I'll put those at the end of this video. I'm gonna try to get another OEM set of wheels for my car, and then get adapters so I can actually put them on and get those to fit, because I have some extra tires laying around at home. But that will be a future video, so please like and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Nickjoenap, where these pictures will be posted, and I will see you in the next video.